Very welcome back to my chemistry lessons. Today we are going to discuss in organic chemistry uh, about cyclic compounds or open chain compounds. So what are the open chain compounds? Open chain compounds are linear hydrocarbons. They are normally formed by covalent bonds. If a compound, a straight chain compound contains multiple bonds, they are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. If the hydrocarbon contains single bonds only, that's called open chain saturated compounds. So let us see how they are formed and what are the examples, etc. Chemistry. So in organic chemistry, acyclic compounds are open chain compounds. So what is meant by acyclic compounds or open chain compounds? These are straight chain compounds containing carbon and hydrogen. According to their nature of bonding, open chain compounds can be classified into three. They are alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. Alkanes means they have CnH2n plus 2 general molecular formula, and alkenes have CnH2n, and alkynes have CnH2n minus 2. So here small letter n means number of carbon atoms. For first member of alkane series, n is equal to 1. So we will be having C1H2 1 plus 2 CH4. So the best example for alkane is, I have taken here propane, normal propane. That's CH3, CH2, CH3. So here there are 3 carbon atoms. So when we put into this general molecular formula, we will be having C3H2, n is 3 here, so 2 multiplied by 3 plus 2. So I substitute the number of carbon atoms in this molecular formula. C3H2 multiplied by 3 plus 2. So we got the molecular formula is equal to C3H8. So C3H8 is propane. 3 hydrogen atoms, 6 plus 2, 8 hydrogen atom, H8, and 1, 2, 3, C3. So similarly, normal butane. Butane has 4 carbon atoms, so we'll be having C4H10. In the case of normal butane, we can write like this: C4H10. So when we moved into alkenes, alkenes have double bonds. Alkenes have double bonds. So the example I have taken is CH2 double bond CHCS3. That's called propene, because the position of double bond in between 1 and 2. So normally we write 1 propene or propene. Next example I have taken butene. It's ENE form. ENE means that contains one unsaturated bond, double bond. So here in 2-butene, number of carbon atoms are 4. So that the position of the double bond in between 2 and 3. So we took the lowest number, so 2-butene. So here the molecular formula is, if you take, in the case of butene, the number of carbon atom is 4. So we can write CnH2n. That's a general molecular formula for alkenes. So we can write in the case of butene, the number of carbon atoms are 4, and the hydrogen atoms H2, and N is equal to here 4 because it's butene. So we have C4H8 again, C4H8. So 2-butene has 4 carbon atoms and 8 hydrogen atoms. So another series of compounds are alkynes, YNE, that end up with the YNE. So they have general formula CnH2n minus 2. Same way, the number of carbon, I took 2-butene. So number of carbon atoms here 4. So when we substitute that number 4 here, C4H2 multiplied by 4, 8, minus 2, 6. So we have 6 hydrogen atoms, C4H6. So here C4H6. So in 2-butene, 2-butene YNE form, the position of the double bond between 2 and 3. So we took the lowest number. So 2 means the position of the triple bond here. So YNE, that's why YNE. So the total number of carbon atoms C4 and total number of hydrogen atoms 6.